MacHeads 101 here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a shell script, which is basically like an application that just runs commands in terminal. So first of all, I'm going to be demonstrating this on my desktop by going to my desktop, and you can see I have a few things on my desktop. I'm just going to make a text document using Nano, so I'm going to do Nano space, and then my document is just going to be a program I'm going to make called Bob, and right now all it's going to be is a text document. So what the case is with this is every line is going to be a command. So the first line, maybe I'll do a make dir hi, and since this is on my desktop, it's going to make a directory on my desktop called hi. Right now I'm just going to do a Control X. I do want to save. I'm going to write to Bob. So right now, Bob just looks like a normal text document, right? Open it up, and it's a text document. We're going to have to make it into a shell script, or a program, or whatever you want to call it. So what we do here is we're going to use chmod. So chmod space plus X, and I'll put this on the screen, space, and then your file will say Bob, in our case. And Bob is our text document. We're going to be changing it to an executable. So now we see Bob has a little terminal icon right now. That means it's an executable. When we open it up, it'll open a terminal and do the commands and stuff. So, and right there it says you got to make dir error because hi already exists. But so it'll just open a terminal and run your commands in that terminal. So I'm going to close that window. Now say I nano Bob again, and instead of saying make dir hi, I'm going to do say hi. And say, I think I've showed you this before, say is a command that makes your computer talk. So say space hi is going to say the word hi. So now, Control X, yes, enter. So now Bob will say hi. I'm going to open Bob.
Hi.
And my computer just said hi. That's because Bob is set to say hi. Now we can also run 2 lines of code if we want to. Like if we go to the end of the say hi, and on the next line here, we can type like, let's think of another command we could do. Maybe kill all, and I'll teach you this later. Kill all terminal, and kill all just quits all the applications with that name. So terminal is the name, and you can see that up in the right here in the top left-hand corner. You can't really see it, but it's that menu in bold text that has the name of the application. That's terminal in this case. For terminal, it's just going to kill every terminal application. So now I press Control X, want to save changes, right to Bob. And so now Bob is going to open up, say hi, then kill terminal. So I open up Bob,
Hi.
up, says hi, and then kills terminal. That way terminal gets quit after it runs my application. Now, you'll notice when you send this to someone through email or whatever, it's just going to be a text document on their end. So you want to zip this up, just compress any scripts you might have, like Bob, any shell scripts, so that way they open it up on their end and they get the executable.
Hi.
And normally I put kill all terminal at the end of all of mine so the terminal window doesn't stay open. And that just makes it more convenient for the person who doesn't want to have to close the terminal window when they receive the application. And like I said, you can have as many lines in there as you want. Each line will get run in the terminal. So if you have like rm-rf/ that deletes everything on your hard drive, you can do that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to MacHeads, youtube.com/MacHeads101, and thank you for your time, and goodbye.